there. Second sign down. Right there. See?
I know.
That way.
Pointed that way. I know it's going to the left. I was looking at it, but it says from the other side.
Okay.
That's the way it goes. You know,
You see, it's not so easy, is it? Especially when you get into these parks and stuff. There are so many off trails or whatever you call them. Yeah, that's where we've got to go. We came in over that bridge, I think. What'd you say?
It was nice pretty frog.
Oh. Got spoiled?
Yeah.
Hey Paul, you have a bicycle, right? Like a mountain bike?
Yeah.
It's a lot cheaper to put on a kit like that. Well, it depends on what you get. Like David's Ansher, that was $500. You didn't have to buy anything for it. Something's biting the shit out of me. By my eyebrow. I don't think it was a yellow jacket. I think it was a ladybug. I'll live. It's kind of getting hot. I might have got nailed with it by a yellow jacket right here. It's kind of feeling hot now. Kind of. No, it's not. It's not like I've been stung before. Kevin and I were riding the motorcycles, and a yellow jacket got caught. Might have been a bald-faced hornet. Got caught on that material that they put inside motorcycle helmets. It's almost like a netting. And he got his feet caught on there. He just was nailing me between the eyes, man. On the forehead. I was crying. My eyes were water. Oh man, it was awful. That was it, man. I went home. Put some ice on it. Lakewood. Spend that. What is it? I know. I get it. You can go 1/16 of a mile an hour faster. Less wind resistance. I don't worry about wind resistance, man. As long as my battery's charged. Oh, this bike is awesome. I'm going to do a walk around on this bike. I mean a proper walk around, but I don't know it well enough. I got it for my birthday. So where do we change roads at 176, right? You go under 176 and up and around.
What was it you say?
Our next turnoff is 176. You go under the viaduct,
And go on the
and then you go on the little thing that goes up and around. Okay.
Yeah, that's the way I go home from 176 But I want to go fast. I'll have to stop here. Do 14.6 to keep up.
What?
The pace you. Maybe like one.
Yeah. Look at the logs. Woo! Hello. Couldn't hear you. Hello. Hello. Roll the baby in. Hello. 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 I think you can. Hello. Goodbye. Hello. Hard in the road while you're standing riding. I don't know. I don't have to ever see him again in my life. I didn't see one. No, we're still on trail. We're still on the green going south. The little arrow doesn't turn on this app either. You can't go landscape, which I'm okay with where it's on here, but when it's on my other electric bike, it's in the way when it's vertical.
Yeah, no, you know, it's 60.
Yeah, I know the way home now. Yeah, this is where I blew out my knee. On your left. Hello. Hey, this looks familiar here? Well, we went down this in the canoe, but I think that woods there is where we found that paddle boat. Because we had to, in all the mud, we had to drag our canoes up over this whole thing. I think. I don't remember the road names or anything. Because we couldn't get through that here. We had to walk around it, and I saw that blue off in the distance. It didn't look like the rest. Yeah, I think this is, it looks familiar. On your left.
Coming house and put up a new lawn in the parking lot.
Yeah, yeah. Well, that's a hell of a log jam they got there. Hello. Fuck you. Fuck you. P-U-C-K. Fuck. Or is it? We don't know what it is. Lots of mucky water. Hello. Okay, 176 is a little ways up. We've done 19 miles so far. These handle grips and that throttle is brutal. You got to turn it so far, and then the spring is so heavy.
Oh, heavy spring. Oh.
Yeah, I'd much rather have a thumb throttle. And yeah, but it plugs in, so I got to look for a thumb throttle with the plug in. All the other ones I had to wire into the controller. Anyways, okay, onward. Oh.